Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ruchit Patel. I'm co-founder of All Events. Along with my co-founder Amit Panchal, we founded All Events 1 year back. So what is All Events? As an entrepreneur, we have to grow our network. So we started visiting events in our city. But we find out that there are lots of events happen in our city, but the information of the events were split over different platforms, different websites. So there was no central platform from where we can find out what's happening in our city. So we created this central platform from where we can find out everything at one place. And that's how the All Events started. Just opened allevents.in/any city name, and that's it. You will get all the information of the all events happening in the city on the single place. Website is very simple and easy to navigate for the users. In just 1 year, we have covered 12,000 cities worldwide, and it is a very good platform for event organizers to promote their events. By monitoring our users, we found out that lots of our users are using all events from their mobile devices. That means they want to get information while they are on the travel. So we developed the dedicated mobile applications for Android and iOS. So traveling is not about just visiting places or visiting monuments. People also travel to visit events like festival events, music events, or sports events. So this application gives information about events happening around you. It detects the location of the event, location of the person, and gives the information of the events around him. User can directly navigate to the event venue from the application, as well as they can share the photos live to the other attendees of the events. So what is unique about our portal? First, there is no registration. We removed the registration problem of the people. Users don't want to register, so we removed with different social logins. Second one is a wide range of events. We are covering small events to biggest event, like school annual function to big music concerts, free events to paid events, NGO events. In short, all the things happening in the city, it's at one place. And the users we are getting, they are like event seekers. They are looking for events. So it's a best place for the event organizers to promote their event. There are some statistics. We have covered 12,000 cities, 11 million unique visitors till now, and we have got 5 million events posted on our site in just 18 months. That means 3 lakhs events in 1 month. So it's a global startup right from Ahmedabad. It's not from Silicon Valley. So media is very excited about it. We got covered in this media. Thank you. I would love to have some questions.
Ruchit, in fact, I had questions even when we were going through the website period. One is your source of updates on the email. Is it by you, or do you have any ties with some other person, or is it like in a crowdsourcing?
Yeah, so it's a crowdsource. We have a Facebook application. You can just use our Facebook application, and whatever event you create on Facebook gets posted on our site.
So the second question what I had was, it was no idea at that time also, what's your revenue model like? How do you plan to make it sustainable?
Okay. So there are several, we have 3 basic revenue models. One is advertisement. Second one is event promotion. We have category of event, sponsored events. That is, we call it featured event. All events are listed in the chronological order. Like the event which is today, it will be shown on the first, and after a week, it will be bottom of the list. So if you want to promote your event, we put it on the first in the featured category. So that is a paid events. And third is ticketing, with tying up with the affiliates. Anyone else?
The ticketing that you have tied up with, how do you manage that? I mean, are you a ticketing gateway yourself? Your payment happens through you?
So, like, ticketing is a very narrow field. Like, if you want to do ticketing yourself, that you have to be specific for a country. While we are very global platform. So we are not doing ticketing ourselves, but we are tying up with ticket sellers like BookMyShow and Ticketmaster for USA. We are affiliating with them and we send our users to there to buy the tickets.